Champion Power Equipment's 4,000 watt dual fuel RV ready inverter can run on propane or gasoline straight out of the box. And weighing less than 49 pounds, this unit is perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up your essential household items during a power outage. Champion's easy start dial takes the confusion out of starting an engine. And Champion's innovative CO shield can help protect you from dangerous carbon monoxide. This inverter comes travel ready with a standard 30 amp RV outlet to easily bring you power while you're on the road. Or connect another unit using a Champion Paralink Parallel kit to provide up to 50 amps of power directly to your RV. Champion's 4,000 watt dual fuel RV ready inverter with CO shield. Quiet, dependable, portable power.